A logo to identify a 50-year tradition. A logo is a symbol of identity, and as such should be filled with symbolism, and in fact, tell a story. With this in mind, the logo committee, seeking symbols, researched the name of the society first, the region, the Pacific Coast, second, our specialty, obstetrics and gynecology, and third, our birth, a society founded in 1931. Three elements suggesting a trinity or a three-part logo. The first effort was to derive symbols from the Pacific Coast, which would relate to our region and specialty: sun, energy, birth, life. The most common symbol in the Pacific is the sun. Pacific is, of course, from the Latin word pacificus, meaning more peaceful, sunny, and more peaceful. It was Magellan who named the Pacific Ocean in 1520, and appropriately so. Since the sun gives life and is symbolic of our region, it was chosen for the outer protective circle of our logo. The middle circle contains essential information, providing the initials for Pacific Coast Obstetrical and Gynecological Society and the founding date of 1931. The third part and the heart of the logo required difficult decisions. Once again, symbols began to flow: feminine, dynamic, classic, historic, anatomic, scientific, timeless, cyclic, lunar. It seemed appropriate to draw from the work of one of the three great artists of all time, one who was also an anatomist, engineer, inventor, a true Renaissance man, a person to emulate: Leonardo da Vinci. The artist, Dorothy Cole, adapted Leonardo's work, Canon of Proportions, from his anatomy notebook, Quaderni di Anatomia, Volume 6, Folio 8. This drawing was sketched at approximately the same time that Magellan was naming the Pacific Ocean. What a fitting coincidence for our logo. The central figure is appropriately female rather than Leonardo's male. The anatomy is clear. The figure illustrates structure and movement, depicting the dynamic, cyclic, and ever-changing life of the female. James C. Caillouette, Chairman, Logo Committee, Kauai, 1981, 50th Anniversary Meeting.